Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. You know, relationships have their ups and downs, and sometimes those downs can feel like a roller coaster you just can't get off of. We've all been there, right? Well, today we're talking about getting back the one you love. I know, it sounds impossible, especially if you're on a time crunch. But trust me on this. We're diving into a powerful strategy that could help you win back your loved one in just 24 hours. So buckle up, get ready for a little relationship advice, Ellen style, and stay tuned. 1. Fess up, acknowledge your mistakes. Okay, first things first, we gotta start with a little honesty. Think about what happened. Really think about it. What went wrong? And be honest with yourself, what was your part in it? Yeah, relationships are a two-way street, but right now, we're focusing on you. What did you do? Did you forget your anniversary? Did you accidentally set fire to her new sweater while doing a magic trick? Whatever it was, own it. Admit your mistakes. Taking responsibility is key here. It shows you're mature, you're listening, and you're ready to make things right. 2. The apology, make it count. All right, now that you've acknowledged your mistakes, it's time for the apology. This isn't just about saying I'm sorry and moving on. It's about truly understanding the impact of your actions and conveying that understanding to her. You need to show that you have taken the time to reflect on what happened and why it was wrong. This is your chance to demonstrate that you are committed to making things right and that you value the relationship enough to put in the effort. But not just any apology, we're talking a genuine, heartfelt, I'll never do it again apology. This means no excuses, no justifications, and definitely no blaming her for your mistakes. It's about owning up to what you did and showing that you are genuinely remorseful. A good apology is not just about the words you say, but also about the sincerity behind them. It's about making her feel heard and understood, and showing that you are willing to change. Reach out to her. Now, I know what you're thinking, Ellen. What if she doesn't want to talk to me? It's a valid concern, but you have to start somewhere. The first step is to make the effort to communicate. Whether it's a text, a voice message, or even a handwritten letter, the important thing is to show that you are willing to take the initiative. It's about showing that you care enough to reach out, even if it's difficult or uncomfortable. Well, you gotta start somewhere. Send a text, a voice message, a carrier pigeon, whatever it takes. The method of communication is less important than the message itself. What matters is that you are making an effort to reach out and apologize. Be clear and concise in your message, and make sure to express your genuine remorse. Let her know that you understand how she feels, that you're truly sorry for the hurt you caused, and that you're ready to listen. Let her know that you understand how she feels, that you're truly sorry for the hurt you caused, and that you're ready to listen. Listening is a crucial part of the apology process. It's not just about saying you're sorry, but also about being open to hearing her perspective and understanding her feelings. This means being patient and giving her the space to express herself without interrupting or getting defensive. Show that you are willing to take responsibility for your actions and that you are committed to making things right. And remember, sincerity is key. She'll be able to tell if you're just saying what she wants to hear. A genuine apology comes from the heart and is backed up by actions. It's not just about saying the right words, but also about showing that you are committed to changing your behavior. This means following through on your promises and making a real effort to improve. An apology is just the first step, but it's an important one. Make it count. 3. Show your stripes, positive changes. Okay, so you've fessed up, you've apologized, but the work isn't over yet. Now you gotta show her that you're serious about making a change. Remember all those promises you made in your apology? Time to put your money where your mouth is. Start making positive changes in your life. Did you promise to be more attentive? Put down your phone and really listen when she talks. Did you promise to be more thoughtful? Pick up her favorite flowers or surprise her with a romantic dinner? Actions speak louder than words, people. 4. The grand gesture. Make it personal. Okay, this is where it gets fun. This is the moment where you get to show just how much you care, how much you've been paying attention, and how deeply you understand her. It's not just about making a grand gesture. It's about making it personal and meaningful. It's time for the grand gesture. But what does that really mean? It's not about the size or the cost of the gesture, but the thought and effort you put into it. It's about creating a moment that she will remember forever, a moment that speaks to her heart. But hold on. Before you go renting a billboard or hiring a skywriter, remember, it's not about being flashy. It's about showing her that you truly know her and that you've been listening. Think about the little things she has mentioned, the small details that make her unique. Think about her. What does she love? What are her passions, her hobbies, her dreams? What makes her eyes light up and her heart race? These are the clues that will guide you in planning the perfect gesture. What would make her heart melt? Is it a simple, heartfelt note left on her pillow, or a surprise visit to her favorite place? Maybe it's a thoughtful gift that shows you know her better than anyone else. Maybe it's a handwritten letter expressing your feelings, pouring out your heart in a way that words spoken aloud sometimes can't capture. A letter that she can keep and cherish, a tangible reminder of your love. Maybe it's recreating your first date, taking her back to the place where it all began, and reliving those precious moments. The nostalgia and the effort you put into recreating that special day will show her just how much you care. Or maybe it's just simply showing up with her favorite ice cream and a willingness to talk. Sometimes the simplest gestures are the most powerful. It's about being there for her, showing her that you are present and that you care. The key here is to make it personal, make it meaningful, and make it come from the heart. It's not about grandiosity, but about sincerity. It's about showing her that you see her, you understand her, and you love her for who she is. So, take a moment to think, to plan, and to create a gesture that is uniquely hers. Let your love and understanding guide you, and you'll create a moment that she will treasure forever. Make it personal, make it meaningful, and make it come from the heart. 5. Patience, young Padawan. Give her space. Okay, you've done a lot, you've poured your heart out, and you've shown her that you're willing to change. You've taken the first steps towards mending the relationship, and that's commendable. But now, it's crucial to understand that healing takes time. You've shown her you're changing, now it's time to give her some space. This space isn't just for her. It's for you, too. It's a period of reflection, a time to understand what went wrong and how to make things right. I know, it's the last thing you want to do when you just want to be back in her arms. The urge to reach out, to fix things immediately can be overwhelming. But trust me on this one. When you just want to be back in her arms, but trust me on this one. Giving her space is not about pushing her away. It's about giving her the freedom to come back to you on her own terms. Give her time to process everything. She needs to digest the changes, to see that your actions align with your words. This period of space allows her to think about your apology, to see your changes, and to evaluate her own feelings. To think about your apology, to see your changes, and to miss you just a little bit. It's in this quiet time that she can truly reflect on what she wants and needs, and to miss you just a little bit. Absence, as they say, makes the heart grow fonder. This time apart can help her realize the value of what you both had. Don't bombard her with calls or texts. Constant communication can feel like pressure, and that's the last thing you want. Instead, let her know that you're there when she's ready. Just let her know that you're there when she's ready. A simple message, a gesture of patience, can speak volumes. It shows that you respect her space and her process. And who knows, maybe while she's thinking about you, she'll realize what she's missing. This time apart can be a powerful reminder of the good times, the shared moments, and the bond you both have. She'll realize what she's missing. In the end, patience and space can be the key to rekindling the connection. So hold on, stay strong, and trust the process. 6. Keep the faith! Remember, winning back someone's heart takes time and genuine effort. You can't just snap your fingers and expect everything to be back to normal overnight. Be patient, stay true to your intentions, and let her see the new and improved you. And hey, even if things don't work out exactly as you planned, at least you know you put your heart out there and tried your best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship advice. And remember, you're awesome, you're worthy of love, and everything will work out in the end. Good luck!